Hey everyone, welcome back to Vitality Health Sphere. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's been making waves in the health and fitness world: intermittent fasting. Whether you're here to shed a few pounds or simply improve your overall health, this science-backed practice might be just what you need. So grab a cup of tea or maybe hold off for a bit and let's get into it.
First things first, what exactly is intermittent fasting? Simply put, it's an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. Popular methods include the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, or the 5-2 diet, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories for 2. But the key isn't just about when you eat. It's about giving your body a break from constant digestion. Now let's talk about the science. When you fast, your body goes through several changes. The most notable? Your insulin levels drop. Lower insulin levels make it easier for your body to access stored fat and use it for energy. At the same time, fasting can boost the production of human growth hormone, which aids in fat loss and muscle gain. And don't forget autophagy, a fancy term for your body's way of cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating new ones. It's like spring cleaning for your cells. But intermittent fasting isn't just about fat loss. Research suggests it can also improve brain health, reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Studies have shown it may help lower inflammation and even improve heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels. Plus, many people report increased energy and mental clarity. Who doesn't want that? Now, you might be wondering, is intermittent fasting right for me? The truth is, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. If you have specific health conditions or are pregnant, consult with a healthcare professional first. But for many, it's a sustainable and flexible approach to eating. Just remember to focus on nutrient-dense foods during your eating window. Think lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and veggies. So to recap, intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for fat loss and overall health, supported by science. It's all about timing and giving your body a break to work its magic. If you're ready to give it a try, start slow and listen to your body. And as always, make sure to prioritize a balanced and healthy diet. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more health and wellness tips, and drop a comment below sharing your thoughts or experiences with intermittent fasting. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.